So you have two choices to either print out the PDF, work it out on paper, and upload each problem to each slide, or you can do it on the slide itself. So here's how I'm going to graph this problem. So y is greater than negative 2x plus 6. Take the first dot and I'm going to put it on 6. I'm going to put the next dot, 2 down and 1 right. I'm going to put the line, and because there is no underline underneath the inequality, I need a line that is dashed. I'm clicking on the dot to rotate it, and I'm also pulling it out and pulling it out. So now I basically have graphed the y equals negative 2x plus 6. So now I have to do the greater. So I'm going to put a 0 in for the x and the y. This is my test point. And so it says 0 is greater than 6, which is false. So I'm going to go over and shade this part of the line. And so to shade, you're going to do this polyline, and you're going to click in here, and you're going to basically make a polygon. And as far as color, your fill color, you're going to do custom, and you're going to pull the transparency, and I'm going to pick whatever color I want. I would say do red and blue. So now this is the graph of y is greater than negative 2x plus 6. Then now we're going to do the other one where we do put the put the other dot on negative 3. It's going 1 up, 1 right, so there would be your next dot. It is, the inequality is not underlined, so it's a dashed line. I'm going to drag him here, put 1 dot there. I'm going to click on the other end and rotate him out. I'm going to pull it out, and then I'm going to come back here and do that. These other dots are, you can use them if you want to, and this line is in case the inequality had underlines under them, or equal to. Okay, so again, we're going to do the test point, and we're going to do 0, 0. 0 is less than negative 3. That is false, so I'm going to come on this side, the other side of the line. Again, I'm going to do a polyline, and this time I'm going to come on this side of the line. We're going to fill it in. We're going to change the color, custom, come over and slide it over and make it some kind of blue, make it transparent. And so then you will see where they overlap is your solutions. So you'll have a graph, and then you'll need to do at least 2 of the dots, 2 of the points. Make your line, make sure whether it is solid or dashed, and then you need to fill it in, and you're going to fill it in using this tool right here, which is the polyline.